You sitting up here, you're going to let your ego violate my rights. This is our police station. It's not your police station. You work here. I allow you to work here.
8 cops, including 4 sergeants, tried to intimidate Big Nick into giving up his rights, and he would not back down. And frankly, I love it.
Let me see your ID.
Sergeant Christian Rogers.
No, your ID with your address and all that on it. Yeah, I thought Florida Penal Code 901.151 states the only time I must present ID to you is when I'm in the commission of a crime, about to commit a crime, or have committed a crime. So that's Florida Penal Code 901.1.
I just want to know why you guys are filming it.
None of your business. You don't need to identify me. Who are you? What you need to do is give me reasonable, articulable suspicion that I'm breaking the law. You're sitting up here, you're going to let your ego violate my rights. You better not be disrespectful to me. You're a public servant. This is our police station. It's not your police station. You work here. I allow you to work here.
We need you on the opposite
No, sir. No, I'm on the public sidewalk. You have no authority over me. Get back in your car. You're dismissed. Leave me alone.
It's not the way it works.
That's the way it's going to work today.
Now, it's not my duty to warn cops, but because I'm a nice guy, it's in your own best interest, Blue Man Group. If you didn't walk up to Big Nick and try to violate his rights, and I don't care how many sergeants you throw at him, he will tear you up, military stripe by military stripe.
Yeah, that's for that property right there, I believe. For this property right here.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, this right here?
Yeah.
So it says that all Pembroke Pines police officers are authorized to advise any person to leave these premises.
Yeah.
Failure to leave after verbal warning may result in. Yeah. Thank you. How you guys doing? I'm alright, brother. How's it going?
No, thank you.
Alright, can we see your IDs?
Let me see your ID.
Sergeant Christian Rogers.
No, your ID with your address and all that on
Can
it.
I see your ID?
So what you want to see my ID for?
You're filming our police station. Yes, your ID.
Is that against the law?
Officer Rogers.
That's against the law? What law is it against?
Officer is your ID.
Because I thought
I'm
Florida...
identifying you, sir.
I thought Florida Penal Code 901.151 states the only time I must present ID to you is when I'm in the commission of a crime, about to commit a crime, or have committed a crime.
Right
that's Florida Penal Code 901.1.
Well, go ahead and investigate.
I don't have to investigate. I don't have to communicate. No, you're not saying my ID.
Yes, I do.
No. Not until you can tell me what crime. What crime have I committed?
Can be seen from public. Absolutely.
Right. So what crime have?
I just want to know why you guys are filming it.
None of your business. None of your business.
You know what? That's not even necessary. If you want to know why we're filming it, I just told you.
You're not saying my ID.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so that's fine.
I'd like to identify you guys. Look,
you don't need to identify me. Who are you?
Sir, yes, I do. I got you right here.
Let me see your license. I want to see what you your head at tonight. If you want to see what I
What's your name and your badge number?
Can I see your license? Absolutely not.
What's your badge number?
So what's your name?
Thank you. What's your name and your badge number?
You don't have a name. 92. Okay.
And your name and your badge number?
Your buddies call you D. D. My badge number?
Yeah.
92, sir.
92.
So and your name and your badge number?
Is there a legal reason you want my ID? Or do you just want to identify?
My badge number is 564.
Thank you. You would like to identify.
Well, I'm going to identify you.
No,
right
you're going to violate my rights to do so.
How am I violating your rights by
But because Florida Penal Code 901.151 states that the only time I need to give you my ID is when I'm committing a crime, about to commit a crime, or in the process of committing a crime. So what you need to do is give me reasonable, articulable suspicion that I'm breaking the law.
And isn't this the way it should be under common sense? I mean, Google is constantly taking pictures from the street. Satellites are always taking high-resolution photos and video from above. This police station is surrounded by surveillance cameras, and yet these cops want these men to show their papers simply because they deem just 2 more cameras as suspicious? Hey, newsflash, this ain't Nazi Germany.
May we see your papers?
That's not, the Supreme Court room photography in itself is not a crime. And this is a governmental facility, and I have every right to come out and record you guys in the course of your duties. So what crime am I breaking?
You're filming in the back of a police.
You said that 5 times. You don't need to know. Who are you?
The Supreme Court is over you, buddy. You don't trump the Supreme Court. We can film this without you liking it or not. So
you're laughing, but you're sitting up here. You're going to let your ego violate my rights.
I'm not having an ego whatsoever.
You're going to let your ego violate my rights because you're telling me you better not be disrespectful to me. You're a public servant.
I'm not giving you a hard time.
You better not give me a hard time. You're a public servant. And you're going to respect me as the public. And you're not.
Some respect, though?
I don't have to respect you, but I haven't disrespected you.
No, I'm asking to get your identification.
And I'm telling you, and you're asking me, and I'm respectfully declining no. You're not getting my ID because I don't have to, because you haven't shown me yours.
What's your purpose here? Yeah. What do you figure out why exactly you guys are filming our police station?
It's not your police station. It's our police station. This is our police station. It's not your police station. You work here. I allow you to work here.
You allow me to work?
Yes, by paying my taxes, giving you employment. It's to get a response like this from people who think they can just come up. Let me explain. You asked me a question, are you going to let me tell you? To get a response from a law enforcer whose job is to enforce law, not come out and demand ID from law-abiding citizens. It's suspicious. No, I don't. No, because the Supreme Court said you can't deem a lawful activity suspicious.
Every day somebody's out here filming our back of the station. 2 guys.
Probably.
Just filming the back of the station.
But that don't make it suspicious.
It's alarming us.
It does. To whose definition?
It alarms cops when the public records a public facility, yet cops take to the streets every single day, filming with their body and dash cams, and they don't think anything of it. But all of a sudden, when a member of the public does the same thing, they got a serious problem.
Okay, but let me ask you a question.
Absolutely.
Is suspicion a felony or a misdemeanor?
Suspicion?
Yeah.
Suspicion is not a crime.
So it's not a crime, so it's not a law, so you don't have anything to enforce.
Suspicion is filming the back of our facility, absolutely.
Okay, but is that against the law?
I didn't say it was against the law.
Okay, then thank you. What is your name and your badge number? And your name and your badge number? Thank you. What is your name and your badge number, Sergeant?
Right now.
What is your name and your badge number, Sergeant?
Can I speak with him?
Well, then you kick rocks. To make sure you don't talk to me then.
For you to be
I'm not getting his name and his badge number like he's not a public servant. Make sure you don't talk to me then.
Well, so he's a sergeant as well, and that's how he behaves in front of
Is your body cam running?
That's not sergeant.
Is your body cam on?
There was no crime committed, and he came out in the
You don't have a body cam?
going to identify us.
But why?
But that's
Okay,
illegal.
but give me Florida Penal Code 901.151. Give me that penal code. Hey, man.
Want to give me a name or not?
Hey, man, why you walking up behind me like that,
traffic.
man?
You're impeding traffic, sir.
That's not cool, man. Don't walk up. You got a gun, man. Don't walk up behind me like that. I know you be cool, but I'm just saying, don't walk up behind me like that.
You guys want to make a scene? You guys want to...
No, you're making a scene. We didn't approach anybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 police officers, but we're making a scene.
You guys are filming on $300 phones. If you want to film professionally and you want to get a good scene,
A $300 phone.
Good equipment and film.
This is a Galaxy S7, buddy. This phone was $900.
But what's your purpose, bro?
Hey, listen.
So what?
What is your purpose?
Let me talk to you.
Like,
To
real,
come
man,
out.
to me.
I told you already. I told you already.
I just want you to.
I wanted to come out and exercise a free right. Freedom. I wanted to come out and exercise freedom and see how this guy's going to respond to me. And that's exactly what happened.
All right, do me a favor, come talk to me, will you?
No, I don't want to talk to you. You didn't want to identify yourself. I don't want to talk. Anything you can say to me, you can say in front of my friend here. Because until you guys tell me what law I'm breaking, you have no authority over me.
First of all, we have the authority granted to us by the law. We never said you were breaking the law.
Right.
Okay?
So,
And again, I'm going to say, until I break the law, you have no authority over me.
and he's a sergeant.
And he's a sergeant.
But after we told you that I didn't want ID, why did you?
You told me I was going to give it to you.
In any way, shape, or form.
Yes, you were. If your camera's rolling down.
Not really. We just want to record and be left alone.
All right, have fun.
Did I give you a hard time at all?
Can you take this officer with you, please? 'Cause I'm tired of hearing him talk.
Yeah, we're all done.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I really wish you guys would have never approached us. Either just say hello, how you doing? Because this is the image that the rest of the world is going to see of the Pembroke Pines Police Department.
The image they're going to see of you. Thank you, sir.
No,
Okay. All right.
Now Big Nick heads over to the Fort Lauderdale Police Department to see if they're any better at protecting and respecting the rights of the public.
I'll tell you my name if you tell me your name.
That's not how it works. You address me. You're a member of the Fort Lauderdale Police Department. Your policy is to identify yourself when you come in contact with a member of the public. What's your name and your badge number?
I just thought I'd ask your name first. My name's Officer Siegel, 1728.
Thank you.
Yep. What we're going to ask of you, you're allowed to film, but we need you on the opposite side.
No,
of the
sir.
sidewalk.
No, you don't.
Yeah, we do.
No, I'm on the public sidewalk. You have no authority over me.
So-
Get back in your car. You're dismissed. Leave me alone.
It's not the way it works.
That's the way it's going to
And
work
you're
today.
also on camera, too.
It's going to work today like that.
So, no, it's
I'm on the public sidewalk conducting a First Amendment activity.
Not on
So,
this sidewalk.
yeah, this is a public sidewalk, sir. Well, what you going to do about it if I don't go across the street?
You're going to be warned of trespassing, and then you're going to be arrested. Well, I'll be patient with you.
No need to be patient because I'm not going across the street.
Well, I'm going to continue, and I'm going to ask for your name and
And you're not going to get it.
again.
You're not going to get it.
Okay.
Well, Big Nick, South Florida Accountability.
What?
Big Nick, South Florida Accountability. YouTube me.
Huh? Yeah. I think so, yeah. Huh? Is it this sidewalk or that sidewalk?
It's either sidewalk, Siegel. It's either sidewalk that I pay for. It's either sidewalk in public, sir. Either one, sir. Either sidewalk that I pay for, Siegel. Hey, Siegel, I can even come up here, Siegel. Look, I can even be right here, Siegel. I can even be right here, Siegel. Look, I can even come over here. I can even come over here, Siegel. I can even come right here, Siegel. Yeah, I can, Siegel. I can. This is city property. I can. There's utilities. I can. This is public property, Siegel. This is public property, sir. Do not make up your own laws. Do not make up your own rules, Siegel. Yeah, this is public property. Yeah, it is. It is. It is, Siegel. There's not a damn thing you can do about it.
If we get another call.
You can get all the calls you want, Siegel. There's not a damn thing you can do about it. You're dismissed. That's called a walk of shame, what you're doing right there. You are dismissed. Do not come back and aggravate me again while I'm doing the story, okay? Can you keep a secret? Can you keep a secret? Me too. You're dismissed, Siegel. Go try to intimidate somebody else. It don't work here. You didn't address me, so I won't identify you. Thank you for your professionalism. That's called a walk of shame. So Officer Siegel tried to tell me that I can't be on the legal sidewalk or on public property, which is Fort Lauderdale Police Department's property and the Parks and Recreation for the city of Fort Lauderdale, and all of these utility signs that was placed by the city of Fort Lauderdale. And I told him that I can be, and he did the walk of shame. Big Nick, South Florida Accountability. Once again, guys, came down to the scene of the original crime committed by the Fort Lauderdale Police Department. So my mission of stopping the corruption here is not over. It's just beginning until we change their behaviors.
And that is Big Nick, South Florida Accountability, keeping oath fakers in check. His links will be in the description and the pinned comment. If you visit him, tell him Here's the Deal sent you. And if you like my channel, support it, grab a killer shirt, become a channel member, subscribe, like, and share, but more importantly, know your rights and exercise them. If you don't use them, psychopaths will take them. I'll see you in the next video.